So guys, this is the normal video. I was working normally here. I've not done any editing on the video, and this is the video which I did the slow motion on. Can you see that, guys? Can you see this? This is what I'll be teaching you in this video, how to do slow motion. They also call it slow mo. It's very easy. It's not difficult. You can do it yourself. Are you ready, guys? Let's go. So guys, we are going to click on the Capcut app, and then click on new project. So I'm going to select the video for this tutorial. I'll be using this one of 9 seconds. Click on it, and then click on add. So guys, this is the video. I have not done any editing on this video. It's just a normal video, and we are going to do a slow motion on it. And for you to do that slow motion, you click on the video and you click on speed. Then there are actually 2 ways you can do a slow motion video. The first one is the normal way, and the second one is the curve way. So for the normal way, when you click on normal, you just decrease the speed of the video. Do you understand? Just decrease it. And okay, let me take it to 0.1 and let me play it for you to see. So guys, you see that you can even shift it to, let's say, 0.5 or 6. Did you see that? So this is like the normal one. This is the easiest one. You just decrease the speed of the video. Just decrease it. That is the first one. But for this tutorial, I just want to teach you the other aspects, which is the curve. This curve one, when you click on curve, you see different ones here. You see the design, the curve. So the way it's curved, that is how the slow motion will be. So when it's somehow straight, you'll be walking okay, like your normal step. But once it gets to that curve place, then the slow motion will start. That's why you see some videos, the slow motion, the person will be walking fast. Before you know it, slow motion will start. Then before you know it again, the person will continue walking normal. Do you understand? So that is how they do it for this curve. So for this curve slow motion, for this tutorial, we are not going to use this already designed ones. We are going to create our own. So how do we do that? So we'll click on custom, click on it, and then click on it again, edit. To edit, you click on it for the second time. So this is it. It's a straight line now. It's normal. So it depends on how you want to. It depends on how you want your slow motion to be. So you are the person that will now do the curve yourself. So how do you do that? So for this tutorial, I'll walk fast. Then when it gets to that time for me to turn, the slow motion will start. So for me to do that, let me play it. So this is where I want the slow motion to start from. So I will just take this place down a bit. Do you see it? So just control it with this line. This is the line you will use to control. Let me play it for you to see. So guys, did you see that? Did you see that? So I'm not done. I still want it to continue. So I'll just take this place down also. So let's play and see what we have. So guys, did you see that? Did you see that? So it depends on you. You can decide to take everything down, so everything will just be slow motion. Do you understand? So that is all. Very easy to do. And when you are done, click on this check sign, and you are done. This is it. This is the tutorial. It's not difficult. You can choose to go with the first one, which is the normal one, by decreasing the speed of that video. Just decrease it, and the slow motion will start. One thing about slow motion is it will increase the length of that video. This video was 9 seconds, now it's 14 seconds. So that is all about slow motion. You can decide to create your own, like the way you want it to be. You can say, oh, I want this place to be fast, I want this place to be slow. Just create your own. Like, do you understand? So guys, that is all for this video. I hope you have been able to learn something. If there's anything you are not clear about, please let me know on the comment section. Let me know. I will surely reply you. I will surely answer your questions. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.